Electrical conductivity of a semiconductor increases when electromagnetic radiation of wavelength shorter than 2480 nanometer is incident on. Wavelength is given 2480 nanometer. According to physics, nano means 10 power minus 9 meter. This is the wavelength. Find the forbidden energy gap. Forbidden energy gap means the energy gap between valency band and conduction band, simply called as to determine energy. In the chemistry, according to Bohr's postulation, energy formula H nu. Nu is nothing but in the chemistry C by lambda. What is the formula for E? Hc by lambda. Okay. What is the H value? 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Here, velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8. Lambda is given here, right? 2480 into 10 power minus 9. Here, all will be write as SI unit. What is the energy SI unit? Joule. But all options indicate electron volt. So that's why it write as EV by Joule, write as EV by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is the method of this problem, method of to solve the problem. But it is the very easiest solution also there, Nana. That is second method. In the second method, okay. Here, this is the second method, shortest formula. Wavelength is given to determine energy. Direct formula is equal to 12,400 by lambda in angstrom. What is the energy unit? Directly E. What is the energy shortest formula? Shortcut formula E equal to 12,400 by lambda taken in angstrom. Energy unit is E. Here, what is the lambda value is given? 2480 nano. Nano means 10 power minus 9 meter. It neatly write as 24,800. Here into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay. Minus 10 meter means angstrom. That means simply 1 0 added, nanometer becomes angstrom. Okay. Here it will be right equal to 12,400 by what is the wavelength is given? 24,800. Energy unit is E. 12,400 means 2 times. What is the 1 by 2 value? 0.5. This is the shortcut method to solve the energy. Given a data is wavelength, the wavelength taken as angstroms. Okay. Next problem here, very important model. This is given second model, second problem. In the second problem, intrinsic semiconductor Ni is given. Ni is called number density 2.5 into 10 power 13. Okay. Electron density also given. Ne is given 5 into 10 power 16. Here, hole density can be determined. NH will be determined. Keyword in the problem, this is N-type. N-type means pure semiconductor doped with pentavalent group or fifth group. That means this is impure. Okay, to see the impure, we get the formula Ni square equal to Ne into NH. Okay, this is the formula to solve and to get NH value. Okay, next problem, another problem is IQ. Okay. Next problem is given, problem number 3. Here, mobility is given. Mobility is mu. Mu value is given 5,000 centimeter square by volt. This is the mobility of electron. This is the mu e. Conductivity also given sigma. Sigma is given 5 mole by centimeter. Next Nana, if effect of holes is negligible, then impurity of concentration can be determined. Impurity of concentration can be determined. Impurity of concentration means simply Ne can be determined. We know that already I give one formula Nana, 1 by rho equal to 1 by rho equal to E into Ne mu E plus NH mu H in the problem. 1 by rho is nothing but the sigma. Sigma is nothing but the conductivity. Okay. Here holes is negligible, so that's why this cannot be considered. Sigma equal to E into Ne into mu E. Here Ne will be determined. What is the Ne formula? Sigma by E into mu E. Here what is the sigma value Nana? Sigma value is given 5. Electron charge value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into mobility of electrons is 5000. Here Nana. 5. How many times Nana? 1000. Here neatly write as 1 by 1.6 into 10 power 16. It neatly write as 10 into 10 power 15 by 1.6. Here neatly write as 6.25 into 10 power 15. This is the concentration. Nana here Ne is called according to question impurity concentration. Impurity concentration anna number density anna same anna. Okay, this can be determined in this manner. Nana next Nana I discuss another model. Here look here. Look here now. This is the diagram now. Here question is VA greater than VB. Find effective resistance. Okay, this is the question now. Look here. Here VA greater than VB means A higher potential, B lower potential. That means A is connected to positive, B is connected to negative. Okay. This is P nana, this is N. Okay. This is P nana, this is N. This is P, this is N. Okay. Look here, nana. Look here. Here VA greater than VB. VA greater than VB. Okay. According to this question, nana. According to this question. Here, according to this question, VA greater than VB. Here, P is connected to positive. Positive means this is forward bias. Okay? Here, look here. N is connected to negative. That means this also forward bias. That means this diode, according to diagram, both are forward bias. Okay? Here, forward bias means internal resistance becomes 0. But here resistance is 18 ohms. Resistance means in the inner sense is opposition. Here current flow nana plus 2 minus, but here divide. But here resistance is more. Here resistance becomes 0 resistance kabatti nana the current does not flow in this way, because it is a high resistance is there, it is no resistance, so that's why current flow in this way, here come to here. It's also 0 resistance because this also forward bias. Here this is a resistance is there, so here 0 resistance, here resistance is there. Where to current flow? Here none, because no opposition, current easily flow here. That means current always flow from plus to minus. మామూలుగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఇక్కడ 0 రెసిస్టెన్స్, ఇక్కడ 18 ఉన్నప్పుడు to current always flow from 0 opposition. Okay, here this is the direction of current nana, plus to minus. In this path there is no resistance, kabatti VA greater than VB means its resistance becomes what nana? 0. Okay, next I discuss nana another topic to look here. Look here now. Here keyword is VA less than VB. Find R effective. This is the question. In the previous problem is VA greater than VB. According to question, according to condition, VA is less. This means minus. VB is more. That means plus. This is the condition. Here A is connected to negative. B is connected to positive. This bias is said to be A. P is connected to negative. A bias is reverse bias. Mari idu chudandi, N is connected to positive. So this also A bias, reverse bias. Ippudu mari naaku unna doubt, current always flow from plus to minus. This is the plus nana. Here current starts. Current always flow from plus to minus. Nana, this is the reverse bias. Reverse bias means generally its resistance, internal resistance becomes infinity. Here 36. Which is better? 36 is the better because infinity opposition. So that's why current flow in this path. Here also this is reverse bias. So that's why it does not conduct the current. So in this path it will be moved. Plus here. This is reverse bias, so not conduct the current. Here plus to minus. Look here the diagram. Here current continuously flow plus to minus. Continuously flow means this is series combination. In the series combination, effective resistance formula is R1 plus R2. In this path, R1 is 36, R2 is 18. 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18 is 54. Okay? This is the option. Next, Nana, I discuss some more models. Nana. Here, full wave rectifier is given. Full wave rectifier is given. It's a keyword in the problem. Full wave rectifier. Nana. Here, load resistance RL is given. 1300 ohms. Nana. Okay, the internal resistance of the each diode is 9 ohms. Nana. 9 ohms. Find the efficiency of full wave rectifier. Efficiency of the full wave rectifier formula is given 0.812 RL by RF plus RL. All R options are percentages, so that's why multiplied by 100. Given options are percentages. A 0.812 into 100 is 81.2 into RL is given 1300 by 9 plus 1300 nearly 1309. Here near cancels. Simply this will get 80.6%. Okay, this is the full wave rectifier. Adhe half wave rectifier eta formula and efficiency formula 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. Generally, what is the efficiency definition? Output DC power by input AC power. That is the formula for rectifier. Today, to solve the exercise to practice exercise, okay, exercise to practice exercise to solve today nana, yesterday to solve classwork, tomorrow to solve third exercise, okay.